Ever had a friend yell across the room, "Hey, I just sent you some cash," followed by a moment of confusion? Maybe it was for that concert ticket split or rent you forgot to collect. In our increasingly digital world, that cash probably came through Zelle, a popular money transfer service between U.S. bank accounts. But how exactly do you get that money in your hands, or well, virtually in your account? Don't worry, fumbling through your phone for a mysterious Zelle app isn't the only option. Zelle is actually integrated directly with many banking apps, so chances are you already have access without even realizing it. Today's video is your one-stop guide to navigating that incoming Zelle transfer, whether you're a seasoned online money whiz or just getting started. First things first, how do you know you even have money waiting for you? Zelle typically sends a notification to the recipient's email address or phone number linked to their account. This notification will include details like the sender's name, the amount sent, and sometimes even a memo explaining what the payment is for. Now, here's where things get interesting. There are actually two main scenarios to consider depending on whether you're already enrolled with Zelle or not. If you're a Zelle pro and have already linked your email or phone number to your bank account, then congratulations. You barely have to lift a finger. The money will be automatically deposited into your account, usually within minutes of the transfer. But what if you're new to the Zelle game? No worries, you can still receive the money, but there will be a few extra steps involved. The notification you receive will likely include a link to claim the transfer. Clicking that link will take you to a secure enrollment page, either through your bank's website or the Zelle app itself. Here's where you'll need to provide some information to claim your cash. This typically involves entering your bank details, like your routing number and account number. But don't be intimidated by the fancy terms. Your bank can easily provide these if you're unsure where to find them. Once you've entered your information and confirmed everything, the money will be deposited into your account. Now, a quick word of caution. Zelle is designed for sending and receiving money between people you know and trust. It's not exactly a platform for online auctions or strangers on the internet. Always be wary of unsolicited transfers, especially if they come with a sob story or an offer that seems too good to be true. When in doubt, contact your bank directly to verify the sender's legitimacy before claiming the funds. Remember, Zelle transactions are generally considered final. So, if you accidentally accept a transfer from someone you shouldn't have, getting that money back can be a hassle. That said, Zelle offers a fast, convenient way to send and receive money from friends, family, or roommates. Now you know exactly how to claim those incoming transfers, whether you're a Zelle enthusiast or a curious newcomer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.